Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use Tassimo machine using this Tassimo macchiato. So in the market you can buy this in many supermarket. As you can see, this is the exact capsule for the machine Tassimo, and inside this packet you can see these two pack, these two of this. So as you can see, this is espresso for latte macchiato. So this one, and inside of that, as you can see, this is the capsule. So this is really exactly the capsule for the Bosh Tassimo. So this one is the latte, and this is for the macchiato. So I will show you how to use it and which is first, but I think I'm wrong, because as I found out, there's the step here. As you can see, you have to put first this one. So this is the first and this is the second, and you will get this macchiato. But it's my first time also, so I'm trying to demonstrate the way I did it. But if you see, check first the manual for this papier, and you can see also here many flavor. Now they have new the Cadbury, and you can find it in tassimo.com. So please enjoy my video guys, and enjoy having coffee in this morning. And this is the machine that I'm using. So as you can see, it's Bosh. So it's written here Tassimo, and you can see where the water is here. You can pull this one and you can refill the water. So you can see until this is the, you can pull and remove this to refill. You see, and this is the flavor. This is also for the where you can put your capsule here. So I will show you how to make coffee with this machine guys. Hope you like it. So there you go. We already have our cafe latte macchiato. So I think I made it right. I'm not sure, or this is the first, or this is the next. But I think I did it right. So comment below, guys, if you know which is the first and the next. So medyo, ayan, open natin to remove the finish cup, the capsule. So ayan, yung dalawa nating flavor. So I don't know if I made it really right, but we'll see in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Medyo nakaloob-loob na tayo ngayon, kaya nakakabili na tayo ng macchiato, which is on sale din siya. So 7 euro ngayon is for 450 something euro. So cheers for the coffee macchiato in the morning. Love, love, love.